Hello children, today we are going to learn about ozone layer. We all know about ozone layer. We all already learned about ozone layer. The ozone layer lies in the stratosphere between 16 and 15 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Ozone in the upper atmosphere is a major factor in making life on the Earth possible. It is an important thing for us, making life on the Earth possible. And this layer shields us from some ultraviolet rays from the sun. This ozone layer, protects us from the ultraviolet rays from the sun. With the passage of time, you all heard about this ozone layer becoming thin, allowing harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun pass through the atmosphere. What are the reasons for ozone layer becoming thin, or what are the causes of ozone depletion? What are the causes of ozone depletion? You all know about it. First cause is ozone depletion is mainly caused by CFCs, that is chlorofluorocarbons. How these chlorofluorocarbons caused the ozone depletion? Or CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons do not break down in the atmosphere, and it will not come back to the earth as rain. Then what's happening to these CFCs? These CFCs float up into the atmosphere with the help of winds and warm air currents. They drift upwards into the air slowly, sometimes taking many years to reach the atmosphere. When it reach this when it reach the stratosphere, the ultraviolet rays from the sun breaks them apart and releases chlorine atoms. These chlorofluorocarbons will be break off by this at ultraviolet rays, and it will make as chlorine atoms. Then these chlorine atoms will be mixed with these chlorine atoms will be mixed with the oxygen atom, and it will form as the chlorine monoxide. This chlorine monoxide is destroys the chlorine monoxide destroys the ozone layer. Likewise, this CFCs is a very big threat to our ozone layer. Second one is deforestation. Then next one is emission of greenhouse gases due to burning of fossil fuel. Greenhouse gases, we all know about the greenhouse gases. That greenhouse gases, more amount of greenhouse gases is emitted to the atmosphere due to this burning of fossil fuels and all. And next cause is the chemicals used in aerosol sprays and refrigerators. And last one is burning plastics. Refrigerators, when refrigerators in use, the CFCs are safely contained, these chemicals are safely contained, but when the refrigerators is thrown away or broken up, the CFCs are released into the atmosphere. Likewise, these refrigerators also a big threat to the ozone. These are the causes of ozone depletion. Next, we are going to learn about the effects of ozone depletion. The effects of ozone depletion. Due to this ozone depletion, what problems we are going to face? As the ozone layer is destroyed or becomes very thin, it fails to absorb the air. That we all know. When it becomes thin, or when it becomes destroyed, when this layer is destroyed, it fails to absorb the ultraviolet radiation. As a result, the increasing amount of ultraviolet radiation will reach to the earth. When this ultraviolet radiation will reach to the earth, that will cause damage to plant life, human beings and marine life. Then if exposed to ultraviolet rays, humans and animals can suffer from skin cancer, sunburn, cataract, hair loss and birth deformities, etc. It will happen. Okay, so plant life also, this plant growth maybe also will be affected by this ozone depletion. So these are the effects of ozone depletion. When it becomes thin, ultraviolet rays will become to the earth. That ultraviolet rays are the very it causes, these ultraviolet rays cause the damage to plant life, human beings, marine life, etc. etc. Next, last one, Efforts to prevent ozone depletion. The only solution to cope up with this increasing means to put up an end of to increasing this ozone depletion, that we need to put up an end to the CFCs, the chlorofluorocarbons and other ozone depleting chemicals. What we can do here: limit private vehicle driving. To stop or to protect our ozone layer, we need to do these all: limit private vehicle driving, use eco-friendly household cleaning products, and avoid using pesticides, ban the use of dangerous nitrous oxide, develop stringent regulations for rocket launches. Stringent means very strict regulations for the rocket launches. Different chemicals are used, that's why we need to put up a strict regulations for this rocket launches. So these are the things we need to do for protecting our ozone layer. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.